Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that Van Guy again with another weekly video. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it informational. If you do, smash that like button for me and be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Alright, on with today's video. Today we're going to be checking out a few releases from 5.9 Diecast. This is a fairly new diecast company, at least to me. I've never owned any 5.96 diecast. As far as I know, the only van casting that they make is the Chevy Express, and they have quite a few versions, although they're not very cheap. They're about 20 bucks a piece, so it's kind of pricey for a 1/64 scale model, but they are fairly detailed and do look pretty good. So I think I've seen about maybe 5 different versions. I think there's like a Coke van, a New York police van with lights on it, and there was a black one. But these are the two that I picked up, and we're going to be opening them up and checking them out. I'll give you a little shot of the card or box art. This is the Gulf Oil Release Chevy Express 5.96 diecast 1/64 scale. These are made, I believe, in China or Asia somewhere. I think that's part of the reason why they're more expensive, because you will have to have them shipped from overseas most likely. I don't think there are any US vendors that are dealers for these, but I could be wrong. I think, like I said, I think they're a fairly new company, so that could change in time, but all the diecasts that I purchased on eBay or what I looked around, it all looked like it was shipping from overseas or that it was going to take a while. You can see it says it's a limited piece, one of 14.99. So I'm not sure how that compares in the grand scheme of things compared to other diecast releases like Johnny Lightning and Auto World and Hot Wheels. I think it's a fairly low number compared to them. So there's the box for that. And I'll open up the box so you can see how they're packaged. And then I'll grab the turntable and we can adjust, zoom in a little more to get some more detail. But I think the way they're designed is they're designed to be able to come in and out. As you can see, they fit in there fairly snug. But I think they're designed so you can take them in and out of the box. So you can keep them in the box if you want, or display them loose. It just has a little plastic thing that kind of holds it in place inside the box, and it's pretty snug fitting. So we'll check out the other one, and then we'll check out both of these in detail on the turntable. So here's the box art for the DHL release. Pretty much very similar box art, just showing the different livery. This one kind of has like a crinkled paper look instead of the all white box. But yeah, like I said, I don't know if these diecasts are going to be for everyone, this particular brand, because it is kind of a more premium release. So it is kind of on the expensive side, and you can decide for yourself whether you're willing to pay $20 for a 1/64 scale van. But I'll grab the turntable, I'll adjust the camera, and we'll start checking out these in detail. Okay, here's the Gulf livery version. You can see it's got little plastic side mirrors, very detailed grille and headlight, true Chevy wheels. I think it even has the Chevy logo on the hubcaps. Looks like it's got separate plastic inserts for the taillights. Pretty detailed bottom. It's got some hard rubber tires with tread. So pretty detailed release. Clear plastic windows. It looks like it's like a work van. It's just got like a metal mesh back behind the front seats. But there's a steering wheel and a dash in there. So pretty cool looking van. Pretty detailed. I'll give it a spin on the turntable so you can check it out from all angles. But it's a pretty detailed piece, pretty accurate 1/64 scale. It does go for a higher price point, but I don't know, it's done pretty well. A lot of the details are really well done. Now this is a window van where the windows are just painted over for these couple liveries, but I think there is a release where all the windows are clear, so it's like a window van. It would be cooler, or better in my opinion, if they had like a panel van version which didn't have any window seams, where it was just a panel van on both sides. Then they could do some wild graphics on the side, like 70s style stuff possibly, and you wouldn't see those little creases or outlines for the windows. Now we'll check out the DHL version. Again with the same wheels. Pretty detailed piece. Flat, like clear plastic windows. Grill is fairly detailed. Looks like this one actually has a plate on it where the Golf one did not, which is interesting. And this one also has like a chrome bumper instead of a blacked out bumper, which is interesting. Again, no license plate on the Golf. But yeah, they're fairly similar, same wheels, same detail base. And this is the DHL version. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, here's both liveries of the 596 diecast Chevy Express van. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek at this 596 diecast. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to be picking up one of these for your own collection or not, and what you think of these models. Is 20 bucks too expensive? Let me know. Hope you found this video informational and enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also check out my Facebook page, That Van Guy. You can find me on Instagram. I'm that_diecast_van_guy. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Have a great day.